In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X6 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To resize it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to minimize it, use this icon of a line at the top left corner. Then access it by tapping on the bubble. If you want to use your app in full screen view, click on this icon also at the top left corner. And to close it completely, select this X at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!